And I think, kind of going back to, getting into why you go into medicine, and, you just want to make those connections with people and, make them feel better. And in terms of that, I mean, there's a lot of new advances nowadays with robotic surgery and, different techniques for, injections, and all the implants are made of different materials and everything. And, it's very easy to kind of lose sight of, the human side of it. So even if we're doing a case where, we have a robot that helps, with a precision and making sure that everything's accurate and there aren't any errors, the 90% of it is still, the human side, where it's, leading up to surgery, building that relationship with patients and, getting them through the surgery. And then every field has that, but in particular orthopedics is once you're, if you're, someone's trusting you to operate on them, and that's a lot of trust that they put in you, and you want to make sure you do the right thing for them and kind of develop that bond and carry that through for the rest of their life.